Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to fit my NEXTBASE 322GW dashcam with rear view camera to the Ford Kuga. Right, here I'm at the car. I'm going to fit the NEXTBASE 322GW dashcam. I'm just working out how to run the rear view camera first, and I'll install the front camera once I've run this cable. So have a look how I've thought of running it. So I've put that on the rear window hatch, left some cable, and I've run it round here, down there, under there, and now it's going along here. So I'm going through where the seat buckle is down there. Then I'm coming out from there. I'm going down through the seat trim, under there, and then probably in the driver's side. I'm not sure whether I can get it under there or not. If not, it'll have to come out from there and under the door trim and up, and up to where the dash cam's going to go. So I'll run that now. Right, so I've run it through there. Only bit of cable I've got showing is there. It's going all the way up and down behind that trim along, and I've positioned the camera well above eye view. All I've got to do now is run the power down to the fuse box, and the fuse box is on the passenger side under there somewhere. So we'll run that next cable. So this is the hardwire kit here. That's the cable that goes to the camera, and that's the cable that goes to the fuse box through that little junction box there. So what I'm going to do is pick the fuse that supplies the 12 volt lighter, which I think is 61. I'll have to double check that one in the Ford Kuga. So I'll run that cable now, and hopefully it runs nicely. I'll show you once we've run it. Right, so we've run round from there, all behind there. I've come down, taken that trim off there, put the cable in there. And we're just coming round into the fuse box under there. So I'll just have to sort out extra cable, because I've got quite a bit of extra cable. To get those covers off, so you squeeze, just squeeze and you pull them off. Little security buttons, we'd like to call them. That yellow one there, I'll be taking out and replacing with the double fuse. You can see it, the 20 amp one. Right, so I've taken out the 20 amp fuse. Hope you can see, because I can't. I've put it in that one now. So I just need to put that one in. So that's your live. But I've just got to sort out the earth. So I'll put that one back in now. Right, so I'm going to earth it to is that. Take that screw out, which is a Torx head. I'm going to take that one out and earth to that one. Right, so we're earthed to there. I've got this little blue light on. So what I've had to do is connect it up to the moon roof. For some reason it won't work on the other one, I don't know why. So I just need to tidy cables up a little bit. Right, so that's it, all finished. Just need a bit of cleaning up windscreen. Everything's tucked away behind everything. It's put back there. And if we turn the engine power on, I should do. It should start up, and there we are. So it works perfect. So I've actually put it to this moon roof. For some strange reason, the 12 volt, as you can see by the light, is constantly live. So even when I took fuse out, which seemed very confusing, it kept the power to it. So I'm not sure about that one. So that's why I've changed to the moon roof. So it's quite a good thing as well, because you can have the miles an hour you're doing as a screensaver. So I'm going to give that a little try now. Right, I know it's a bit awkward to see, but if you touch that gives you your reverse. Touch it back again, gives you your double screen. I've just been for a drive in it, and we'll show you what driving's like. Right, so I hope you liked that little video. If you did, don't forget, give me that thumbs up, and also click that little subscribe button if you liked the video and you want to see more of the content. There's various contents on the channel, and also don't forget to click that little notification bell. If you do subscribe, it'll tell you when I've uploaded some more videos. All I've got to do is say goodbye for now, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.